Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello dear students and welcome to CET JEE classes of derivatives. Let's continue with the question number 7. In the previous class we have already solved the 6 problems, alright. So now the 7th problem is a basic one but with a little complicated functions. Well, it's not so much complicated that you cannot attempt this very simple formula, that is x raised to n, and this is trigonometric formula. Well, let us start with f dash of x and then we can substitute 0. Alright, so let's begin with f dash of x here. First of all you have to use quotient rule. One thing, if you want to avoid quotient rule, then you have to just take this to the numerator and you can use the product rule. So I hope the product rule is easier. So let me rewrite this f of x by just shifting this to the numerator. So 5x and then 1 minus x to the power minus 2 by 3, yes. And then you have got cos square 2x plus 1. Now let us differentiate this. So f dash of x is equal to, use the product rule, so 5x and then derivative of this is minus 2 by 3 into 1 minus x minus 2 by 3 minus 1. Let me write that, and next step we can simplify into derivative of 1 minus x. Derivative 1 is 0, minus x is minus 1. So don't forget that. Plus next this function as it is 1 minus x to the power minus 2 by 3 into derivative of 5x. So derivative of 5x is 5. So much for the first one. Plus second one, you have cos square, right? So that means cos 2x plus 1 whole square, that is like x square. So derivative of x square is 2x. So cos square is 2 cos 2x plus 1 into derivative of cos. So derivative of cos is minus sine into derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2. So into 2. Well, so that is f dash of x. We have to simplify and then we have to substitute 0. You can substitute 0 now itself. If you do that, you will get 0 here, so that whole term becomes 0. You don't have to simplify and waste your time on that. Directly go for f dash of 0. Alright, so you don't have to show your steps in competitive exams, just the final answer matters. That means don't waste time on simplification. Okay, so f dash of 0. Now when you put 0 here, the whole thing becomes 0, fine till here, so that is gone. And when you put 0 here, you will get 1 raised to minus 2 by 3, correct? So that is 1 raised to minus 2 by 3, 1 raised to anything is 1 itself, into 5, so that is 5 itself. Anyway, I will write that later. And plus what about this? See, this is 0, right? Okay, and this is also 0, so 2 into 2, but that 2 I will keep separate, let it be like that. Now this I will write minus 2 and then I will write sine first, okay, and this is 0, so that is sine 1 into, put 0 here, so cos 1, and then I have got 2. Okay, Now look at this. This is 2 sin x cos x. What is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x. Okay. So this is 5 minus, in this place I will write sin 2x, and in place of x I have got 1, therefore that is sin 2 into 1, which is sin 2, and that 2 will remain, so into 2, so that I am writing first. So now look at the options. You have got 5 minus 2 sin 2, so option C is the right choice for you. So don't waste time on simplification, directly substitute 0, it will reduce into a simple form. Well, so that's for 7th question. Let's move on to the 8th one. Okay, so look at the 8th question. You have got x into sin a plus y is equal to sin y. You can use the product rule and differentiate. Otherwise, there is a easier way. So what you can do is you just write x in terms of y. That means sin a plus y, take it to the denominator. So that would be sin y divided by sin a plus y. Well, correct. Now don't use sin a plus b formula and expand and then differentiate, that would be tedious. So use the quotient rule and differentiate. You might ask, why didn't we use the product rule, which was easier? Alright, you can try that as well, and then you can check which method is easier. So I'll do quotient rule, you try product rule and see which is easier for yourself. Alright, I'll leave that to you. Now let me differentiate with respect to x, y, because we need dy by dx. So with respect to x, you have to differentiate. So this will be 1 derivative of x and quotient rule. So first sin a plus y into derivative of sin y is cos y into derivative of y is dy by dx minus now sin y as it is into derivative of sin a plus y, that is cos a plus y into derivative of a plus y, derivative of a is a constant, so 0, derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay, then divided by you have sin square a plus y, denominator square. Well, I'll bring that to the LHS. Sin square a plus y, we have that in the options. Sin square a plus y, we'll see. Now here you have got dy by dx, here also dy by dx. Let me take that common. So if I take dy by dx common, I will be getting dy by dx common, right? And then this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So look at this. This is sin a plus y into cos y minus I'll write cos a plus y first and then sin y. Right. Now what formula can you use here? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, right? So that is sin a minus b. So in place of a you have got a plus y, b is y. So how are you going to write that? So dy by dx into sin a plus b. So a plus minus b. So that means y will cancel out. I hope you understood. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, sin x minus y. Okay, so that will reduce to only sin a. Since we need dy by dx, what do you do with that sin a? Take it to the denominator on the left hand side. So that's it, you have got sin square divided by sin a. So if you take it to the left hand side, so that is the answer. So dy by dx is equal to sin square a plus y divided by sin a, which is option A. Well, I hope you understood that. I have just cut short one step there. Okay, please understand, I have simplified there and then I had to write one more step, but I hope you understand. Fine. Now let's move on to the question number 9. Alright, so question number 9, if y is equal to x tan y, then dy by dx. So y is equal to x tan y. Here you can directly differentiate, or you can bring that tan y here and then you can differentiate that as well. Alright, so differentiate with respect to x. Now this is dy by dx, and use the product rule. So first function derivative of tan is secant square y into derivative of y dy by dx plus now tan y into derivative of x is 1. Okay, so you have got dy by dx here and here as well. So what do you do with that? You take it to the left hand side. So x into secant square y into dy by dx, that is equal to tan y. Hence if you take dy by dx common, you will get 1 minus right. So if you do that, now what is dy by dx? That is tan y divided by 1 minus x into secant square y. We don't have that in the options, but what we know is tan y is equal to y by x. Let's make use of that. Okay, so I can substitute tan y, but where you have got secant square, so that can be replaced with tan, correct? I mean what is secant square y? 1 plus tan square y. So in this place write 1 plus tan square y, so that we can replace this y by x in place of tan, and that will generate one of the options. So tan y divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus tan square y. Well, now you can substitute y by x, so that will be y by x whole square in place of tan y. So let's do that. Alright, so dy by dx is equal to tan y on the numerator. Now itself you can guess the answer. Alright, so tan y, again I can write, so there is no chance that I will get y minus x, correct? So just because you have tan y in the numerator, don't think that you will get option C. You may get, but you may not get as well. So even in this place of tan y, we can replace y by x. Then 1 minus x into 1 plus y square by x square. I hope you understand tan square y, therefore y square by x square, Simplify this. So y by x on the numerator divided by 1 minus x into, take the LCM, so that would be x square plus y square and whole divided by x square. So it will cancel once and then you will be left with x, take it to the numerator, so that will be xy and this x into, or you cannot because you have to take LCM first, I am sorry. So this is y by x and take the LCM, so this is x minus x square and minus y square whole divided by x, correct. Now you can strike out this x, so that comes out to be y divided by x minus x square minus y square, which is option B. So option B is the answer and not C. All right. Somehow with the given information you have to generate one of the options. So little bit of substitution is used here. Well, let's move to the next set of questions.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.